Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review GetTerms. With this tool, you will be able to create privacy policy, cookie consent, terms of service, acceptable use policy for your website or application. And moreover, you will be able to comply with strict requirements like GDPR, CCPA, and others. So you will be able to comply with strict rules in USA, Europe, UK, Canada, and Australia. One more important point is that you will be able to tailor your terms and conditions for a specific use, like mobile app, e-commerce, website, your software as a service, blog, or news site. You may get a chance to grab GetTerms as a lifetime deal on AppSumo with 60-day money-back guarantee. And honestly, I like small tools like GetTerms, which are focused on one specific task. And first of all, why would you need such tool? You can generate base privacy policy with ChatGPT. For example, if you are just starting your blog, you may go that route. However, if you are getting serious about your business, if you are starting to sell something, if you start enable advertisement on your website, to avoid all troubles, you need to be compliant with different standards like GDPR for Europe, for example. And it is very convenient to have all that covered and generated in one place for your website or application. So with AppSumo deal, you will have access to all of the features like privacy policy generation, terms of service, cookie policy, acceptable use policy, tailor that for mobile app or e-commerce website or your blog or software as a service. And even you will be able to generate a return policy. I will leave the link to the deal in the description. Regarding pricing, the first license tier gives you ability to generate all above mentioned for 3 websites or applications. And if you need more, you can grab another tier. And with license tier 5, you can get unlimited sites or applications. And just to address some concerns about reviews, I must say that this tool is not a new one, and GetTerms is on the market since 2021. And looking at the reviews, I can say that they listened for users' feedback. For example, there was a complaint that French language is not supported. Then eventually GetTerms team added that language. I can see a user reporting that it is working. I saw a lengthy thread about some complaints. For example, magic link complaint. It means that previously for AppSumo deal, you were given only a link without ability to set username or password, and based on the comments I see that it was addressed and I saw that working myself. So let's proceed to the actual review and demo. And actually before doing that, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. So here is the main dashboard, and let's create our terms and conditions. So first of all, we can see that you can create that for website, e-commerce, software as a service, or mobile application. Let it be a website, and let's select all of the options. I need terms, cookie, use policy, and return policy. Let it be like so. The location, let it be California in the United States. Here is the website, and let's move to the next step. And now you can see the real power of GetTerms because it is very, very detailed. So let's check this one. Browser logs statistics. Okay. Device data. Let it be like so. I'm selecting these just as an example. Regarding personal information, let it be so. Let's say we collect email address and the usage, contacting users, and newsletters. Regarding sensitive information, no, we are not collecting any of that. Third-party services, yeah, could be opt-in email services, let it be MailChimp. Advertising, yes, Google AdSense, and Ezoic advertisement network. Next option, no, we are not targeting children. User-generated content, no, we are not accepting. So we need to generate use policy, cookies, terms of service, return policy. Just an example, let's say you have 30 days to return some product in form of refund. Regarding terms and conditions, let it be like so. Send us an email and we'll refund you within 30 days, no questions asked. return email like so. Shipping is not applicable. Let's say we have 2 days to initiate return. Customer service details. So moving next to probably the best feature of GetTerms, region and country specific rules and policies. Like if you are doing business in the United States, you can select something and fill data as needed. If you do business in Europe, you must comply with GDPR policies. So here you will need to fill some data. If you do business in UK, there are some additional rule set, same for Australia and same for Canada. So let's move next. All right, we have generated our terms and conditions and much more. First of all, we have 2 sections, policies and cookie consent widget. I'll show you in a moment. But first, let's go to generated policies. We have privacy, terms of service, cookies, acceptable use, and return policy. So first of all, you can have that as text or HTML or in Markdown format, which is great. Then you have ability to embed those policies into your website. Also, you can have it as link. You can download it as PDF file or simply copy. And those privacy policies are very solid and thorough and cover all items that you selected on previous step. I will show you just few parts. It is pretty lengthy one. For example, there will be what kind of data you collect. There will be parts about personal information, about third-party services and how those are used. There will be parts about marketing permission, whatever you requested. And of course, if you selected to add, there will be generated particular paragraphs like GDPR compliance. This is just a small part of it. So besides privacy policy, you have also terms of service generated. You have your cookie policy generated as well with all contact information if needed. Also, you have acceptable use generated. And again, for all of these parts, you have options how to use that. You can embed that into your website or provide link, download PDF or copy. And the same for return policy. Again, just a small part of it. And I must say, I can see the real benefit why someone would pay for such service. You will be able to keep and control all different terms of conditions, privacy policy for many of your websites. If you have several at one place, you will be able to edit policies and be able to update and regenerate that. You will be able to embed your policies without need to store those at your website. And one more important feature, there is cookie consent widget. If you go to the widget itself, we can customize it. We can use it as card, banner, or peel. We can change position. We can have some other different options. And an important feature that you can embed that into your website. And here we are on the main website. You can see this cookie policy widget. You can manage your preferences. You can accept all cookies or decline that. And moreover, you will be able to see who consented to which cookies. At cookie log section, you will be able to see what kind of cookies were accepted, on which date, and have additional information about that. And yet additional feature, cookie scan report. You can add some, let's say, accessional cookies and other type of cookies manually, paste different information about that cookie, and be able to get reports on those cookies. Here it is how your dashboard will look like. This is the policies and cookie consent widget, which you will be able to modify if needed. All right, moving to a conclusion. By the way, I will leave the link to GetTerms in the description. This tool is focusing on one specific task to provide you privacy policy and other related information for your website or application. It covers main compliance rules like GDPR for European Union. You will be able to tailor your privacy policy and other content like terms of service to your needs. Also, in one unified place, you will be able to manage all of that through GetTerms portal, and you will have cookie consent widget, which is also nice to have. So again, to try this tool with 60-day money-back guarantee, please use my affiliate link in the description. Also, please give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.